Hi, you are watching Lou's Handicrafts channel. You can call me Lou, and in today's video we are going to learn how to make this beautiful shawl together step by step, okay? It is a free size, but you can always look up to this chart for your reference. And these are the supplies and materials. Some of them will be linked in the description. With the bigger hook size, we are going to start by making a magic ring. And I'm sure you all know how to make a magic ring, but if not, just follow this along. Wrap it around your index finger, bring the working yarn below, and pull up a loop. Do not pull all the way through, just keep it there like that, and we're going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, into this magic ring, we'll yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. So yarn over, pull through only 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loop, yarn over, pull through the rest of the 2 loops. Okay, we'll do this one more time. Yarn over into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loop, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loop, and this is one cluster. And we're going to separate this with a chain 3. Then we make one more of this. So this is basically a double crochet, but we are treating it like a treble crochet by crocheting it thrice. Okay, so what we did is we yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, this is the third treble. Now we make one more of this separated by chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now you just pull the tail and this will close up the gap. Row 1 is complete. Now for row 2, we are going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. We turn our work, and then into this chain 3 space here, we are going to put our border stitch, border cluster, okay? So pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again. And this is the last treble. Then we separate it with chain 3. And so this will become our border cluster, okay? So we go into the same chain 3 space and put 1 treble, another treble, and we put 3 treble cluster. Okay, so this border will be on both the side of the shawl as it grows, okay? Now we are going to make a Solomon knot or a lover's knot. To do that, we pull the yarn out a little bit, yarn over and pull through the loop, okay? And separate it with your thumb. You go back between those loops, bring up a loop, and then you single crochet on top. Okay, that is one knot. We are going to make one more Solomon knot. Okay, so yarn over, pull through the loop, go in between those loop, and single crochet on top. So this is a Solomon knot and we make 2 of them. Then now we are going to make the border on this chain 3 space. So yarn over, go into the chain 3 space, pull through 1, pull through 2, and pull through 2. As you already know, I'll just speed it up a little bit. Now row 2 is complete. For row 3, we are going to chain up 3, turn our work, and into this chain 3 space, we are going to make our border stitch again, border cluster. Okay, so I'll just speed up. After the border, next we are going to make only one Solomon knot, okay? Just make sure that the length of the knot that you take here remains the same all throughout your construction for the better proportion of the shawl, okay? So we make one more knot. Then into this middle knot here, yarn over, go into the single crochet stitch here, grab a loop and pull up a long loop. Keep it on the hook like that, okay? Then yarn over, go into the same space and do the same thing. Again 3 times and 4 times. And after that, yarn over and pull through all of the loops at once, okay? So pull through all of them. Then go into the last string here, okay? Grab a loop and then single crochet on top. Now this is a popcorn stitch, all right? So we make one popcorn, then we make one Solomon knot. And we are going to put our border here directly. So go ahead and put the border and complete this row. I will meet you in the next row. For row 4, I have already put the border. And now we are going to put 2 Solomon knot, okay? So we make one knot, another Solomon knot, and we put one single crochet on top of the popcorn stitch. So put single crochet, and then we are going to change our hook. Bring the smaller hook now, go through the stitch and place the bead on the hook. Now yarn over and pull the yarn through the bead. Pull it through and also through the loop on the hook. Pull through the bead and through the loop, okay? Now that's done. To secure it, we are going to single crochet on top of the popcorn. So we single crochet, and by this time the bead turned on the other side of the work, okay? Now the bead is on the other side, so it seems like you're working through the wrong side of the work, okay? To continue, we are going to change our hook back to the bigger one, and we make 2 Solomon knot. One, two, and then we put our border. So go ahead and make your border. I will see you in the next row. For row 5, I already put my border again. Then the next thing we do is make one Solomon knot. Then in between these 2 Solomon knot from the previous row, we are going to put our popcorn stitch. So into the single crochet, we are going to make popcorn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we yarn over and pull through all of them at once. And then single crochet on top to secure. Now that's our popcorn stitch. Next, we make one Solomon knot, then we change our hook to a smaller one here. We're not going to attach any bead, but we are going to join it on top of the single crochet we made in the previous row. So we go into the single crochet stitch and we make a single crochet on top of the bead. Then we change our hook back to the bigger one and we make one Solomon knot and a popcorn here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull through all of them and single crochet on top. Then we make one Solomon knot and then we make the border. So go ahead and put your border. I will see you in the next row. For row 6, I already began with the border. After the border, we are going to put 2 Solomon knot. 1, 2. And then we are going to attach our bead here. So into the popcorn, we make one single crochet, change our hook, bring the bead, so yarn over, pull through the bead and through the loop, and then we single crochet on top of the popcorn. Change the hook back to the bigger one. We make 2 Solomon knot, 1, 2, skip this, and directly into the next popcorn we are going to make our single crochet. Change the hook to the smaller one. We attach the bead. Single crochet on top of the popcorn. Change the hook back to the bigger one. We make 2 Solomon knot. And then a border. What we have here so far is that we have 1 popcorn, then 2, then in the next row we'll have 1, 2, and 3 popcorn. So after every 2 rows, the popcorn will keep increasing, and so our shawl will go in triangle shape. With a 3mm crochet hook, you can see here in the sample that the spaces are more closely knitted. So even if this one has more number of rows, it is the same size as this one, which we have just worked on. So depending on the number, depending on the spaces that you want, you can increase or decrease your hook size. So continue to work on your pattern. The pattern repeat from row 4 to 5 will continue on for as long as you need. And then when you've attained your size, I will show you how to finish it off. Okay, so I just got my size. And so to finish it off, we are going to begin with a border. So chain 3 and make your border. After border, we make 1 Solomon knot. Then into this place where we put popcorn, we are just going to single crochet, okay? No popcorn, just single crochet. Then 1 Solomon knot. Change our hook. And as usual, we are going to single crochet on top of the bead. So we single crochet, change our hook back, 1 Solomon knot, single crochet instead of popcorn, 1 Solomon knot, single crochet on top of the bead. And so do this all across your shawl. Just keep connecting them with a single crochet. And then at the end, you put 1 more Solomon knot. Then into the chain 3 space, you put your border, chain up 1 to secure, cut the yarn and hide all the extra tails. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the pattern. If you do, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up so I know you like this pattern. And also, yeah, do share your work with me if you happen to create this so you can tag me on Instagram and also on Facebook. And so, yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now.